Welcome to InfyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video we have one very interesting rational equation problem which we have to solve for the real values of x. So let's get started. We will factorize our denominators first. So x square minus 1. Using difference of two squares identity, we will write x plus 1 times x minus 1. Then we have x square minus 4x plus 3. We will split minus 4x. So we will be writing here minus x minus 3x. Then we have plus 3. From first two terms we will take x common. So in the bracket we will write x minus 1. From last two terms minus 3 is common. We will retain the same bracket x minus 1. So our factorization for our denominator x square minus 4x plus 3 will be x minus 1 times x minus 3. Now we have third denominator x square minus 8x plus 15. In the similar way, we will factorize x minus 3 times x minus 5. Now we will write our equation. So 9 over x plus 1 times x minus 1 plus 9 over x minus 1 times x minus 3 plus 9 over x minus 3 times x minus 5 will be equal to 1. Now we will divide both sides by 9 first. So I will write here 1, 1, 1, and in RHS we have to write 1 over 9. Now I will multiply our LHS by 2. So we have to divide by 2 also. We will write 1 over 2. Now we will write 2 in the numerators. So 2 over x plus 1 times x minus 1 plus 2 over x minus 1 times x minus 3 plus 2 over x minus 3 times x minus 5 will be equal to 1 over 9. Now we can write our numerator 2. Let me write half as it is. Then in the bracket, this 2 can be written as x plus 1 minus x minus 1. So 1 plus 1, which will be 2, which is in the numerator. In denominator, we will write x plus 1 times x minus 1. Then we have 2 in the numerator. Here we will write x minus 1 minus x minus 3. So x minus 1 minus x plus 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Plus x and minus x will be over. Denominator will be x minus 1 times x minus 3 plus. Here we will be writing x minus 3 minus x minus 5 over x minus 3 times x minus 5. In RHS we have 1 over 9. Now we will split our numerators with respect to their denominators. So we will write half in bracket x plus 1 over x plus 1 times x minus 1. X plus 1 will be over. We will write 1 over x minus 1 minus x minus 1 over x plus 1 times x minus 1. X minus 1 will be over. We will write 1 over x plus 1 plus x minus 1 will be cancelled out. We will write here 1 over x minus 3 minus x minus 3 will be over. We will get 1 over x minus 1 plus x minus 3 will get over. We will get 1 over x minus 5 minus 1 over x minus 3 will be equal to 1 over 9. Now we can cancel 1 over x minus 3 minus 1 over x minus 3 minus 1 over x minus 1 with plus 1 over x minus 1. So we are going to get only two terms in the bracket, 1 over x minus 5 minus 1 over x plus 1 equal to 1 over 9. Now we will take LCM. Let me write equation here. Half 1 over x minus 5 minus 1 over x plus 1 equal to 1 over 9. Now we will write here the product of denominators. So x minus 5 times x plus 1. In numerator we will write x plus 1 minus x plus 5. Multiplier is half. RHS is 1 over 9. Now plus x and minus x will be over. 5 plus 1 is 6. So we will write half times 6 over x minus 1 times x plus 1 equal to 1 over 9. Now 6 over 2 is 3. Now we will write 3 over x minus 5 times x plus 1 equal to 1 over 9. Now we will cross multiply. So we can write here x minus 5 times x plus 1 will be equal to 3 times 9. So 3 times 9 is 27. We have to solve one quadratic equation. X minus 5 times x plus 1 equal to 27. Now we will expand LHS and write x square plus x minus 5x. So minus 4x minus 5 equal to 27. Now we will add 5 to both sides. So we'll write plus 5. So in the RHS, we'll add plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 will be over. We will get x square minus 4x equal to 32. Now coefficient of x in LHS is 4 with negative sign. Half of that is minus 2. The square of that is 4. So we have to add 4 to both sides. Now LHS will become one perfect square of x minus 2. And RHS is 36, which is a square of 6. Now we will write our equation x minus 2 whole square equal to 6 square. Now we will take square root both sides and we will get x minus 2 equal to plus minus 6. Now we will add 2 to both sides and get x equal to 2 plus minus 6, which means we are having two values, 2 plus 6, and x2 will be equal to 2 minus 6. So our first solution would be 8 and second solution would be minus 4. So we can write here x equal to 8 and minus 4. Now we are going to verify our result. So if I will check here, let us begin with x equal to 8. So we'll write here x equal to 8. Equation is here. I will consider LHS and verify its value equal to 1. So 9 over x square minus 1. We will write 9 over 8 square minus 1 plus 9 over x square, which is 8 square, minus 4 times 8. I am writing 32 plus 3 plus 9 over x square, which is 8 square, minus 8 times 8. I am writing minus 64. Then we have plus 15. Now 8 square is 64. So we will cancel 8 square with minus 64. Here we will write 9 over 8 square is 64 minus 1, 63, plus 9 over 64 minus 32 is 32 plus 3, 35, plus 9 over 15. Now 9 over 63 is 1 over 7 plus 9 over 35 plus we will write 3 over 5. Now I can take 1 over 7 common from first two terms. So I will write here 1 plus 9 over 5 plus 3 over 5. Now I will write 1 over 7, 5 plus 9 is 14 over 5 plus 3 over 5. 14 over 7 is 2. So we are getting 5 over 5, which is equal to 1, which is our RHS. Hence our first solution is true. X equal to 8. Now we will verify minus 4. So I will write here x equal to minus 4. Let's begin with LHS. We will write here LHS. 9 over x square minus 1. So minus 4 square is 16 minus 1 plus 9 over x square, which is 16, minus 4 times minus 4. So plus 16 plus 3 plus 9 over x square minus 4 square, 16, minus 8 times minus 4 plus 32 plus 15. So we will write 9 over 15 plus 9 over 35 plus 9 over 63, which we will cancel 1 over 7. Now here we can write 3 over 5. So I will write here 3 over 5 plus 9 over 35 plus 1 over 7. Now I will multiply here with 7. So in the numerator, I will multiply here with 5. So in the numerator. Now we can write here 21 over 35 plus 9 over 35 plus 5 over 35. Now 21 plus 9 plus 5. We will write in the numerator. And denominator will be common numbers 35, common denominator which is. So 21 plus 9 is 30, 30 plus 5 is 35, denominator is also 35, we are getting value 1 and 1 is our RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Hence our second solution x equal to negative 4 is also verified. So we have two solutions, x equal to 8 and minus 4. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.